I made $4,000 this month and I'm only 18 years old. I literally finished high school 2 months ago and I made this money from my room sitting at my desk. I'm not saying it's easy to do. I'm just trying to show you that the era has changed and you can make such money from your room with the computer that you have. There are still many people that don't believe in such videos. Some people claim that I'm lying, and I even saw someone saying that I'm brainwashing people. I mean, I don't have such a problem and I don't have such intentions, but it is possible to earn pretty good money with the methods that I'm gonna show you in this video. Creating and selling digital products is, in my opinion, the cleanest and easiest way to make money. You create your digital products once and then you can sell it again and again. You don't have stock problems or shipping products since they are digital products and they are digital. For example, I have a digital product, a Notion productivity template that I also use daily. It's something I've been using for a long time, making my daily life super easy. And I thought, why not sell it as a digital product? If you want to take a look at it, the link is in the description. But what kind of digital products can we sell? Obviously, that's up to you, but I'm gonna give you a few examples so you can have an idea and have some inspiration. For example, you can sell wallpapers, ebooks, templates as I did, sound effects, LUTs for photos and videos, diaries, fonts, and a whole lot more. Another business idea is to create online courses. If there is something that you're talented about, you can sell that knowledge or talent on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Preferably, you can even set up your own website and sell it there. But of course, Udemy and Skillshare would be easier since they're already built up websites. You just upload your videos and they already have an organic traffic. But why is this a good income method? Because you teach people a subject that you already know, and then you create a source of income that's gonna generate you money for a long time, for a very long time. Occasionally, you may need to update your course, answer some student questions. However, creating an online course, we can say is pretty passive and the return can be very high. For example, I have a course that I shared on Udemy quite a while ago and I still see money coming into my PayPal account from time to time. Another great business idea is vending machines. You must have seen such vending machines when you're walking outside, like massage chairs, snack machines, toy machines. That son of a bitch always drops my toy right before the haul. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is that all these vending machines have an owner and they left those vending machines there, sitting there and making them passive income. They don't need to do something extra, but these vending machines generate them money. This vending machine business is quite a big one, by the way. If you're interested, I'll leave an article in the description, the story of a man who earns $30,000 a month by working only 6 hours a week. You can take a look at it if you want. Another source of income is crypto. Cryptocurrencies is something that I personally invest in. I started my crypto journey with only $90 and that $90 is now $1,600, which is despite Bitcoin falling from $60,000 to $30,000. Of course, I'm not giving any investment advice here, but my point of view is that all these big cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are gonna go up. Yes, they do drop from time to time, but in the long run, I believe they'll go up and you'll make money from it. By the way, a piece of advice from me to you. If you're gonna invest in cryptos, don't go all in. Don't go and invest all of your money. Invest an amount of money that you're willing to lose. If you lose that money, it's not gonna affect your life. That's my advice. Don't go all in. You might regret it because they are kinda risky. Also, I use Binance to invest. There is a link in the description below, and if you sign up with that link, you'll help me and you will also get 10% commission discount on transactions. Another great income stream is stock photography. Shooting videos and photos is something that I truly enjoy. I recently started uploading my photos on Shutterstock, and in the future, we'll see if I make money from it. I might even make a video about it. In short, the logic of stock photography is that you shoot high quality, high resolution photos and you upload these photos on websites like iStock and Shutterstock. And then you earn money from your photos every time someone buys them. Yes, you can sell the same photo over and over again. Just shoot it once, upload it, and then thousands of people can actually buy your photos and you can make money from that. You might wonder, why would they buy your photos? Well, because you actually own the copyright for these photos, and big companies, they are not willing to risk getting photos from Google Images and getting sued after that. So they go on these websites and buy these photos so they can use them commercially. And there are many types of photos that you can take. You can sell portrait photos, photos of buildings, nature photos, food, vehicles. There are many categories. Affiliate marketing is also an immaculate income method. The working system of affiliate marketing is very simple. Almost every company has an affiliate program you can sign up for, and then all you have to do is promote their products or services. Then every time someone buys that product or service from your link, you earn a commission. Of course, there is a catch. Traffic. In other words, you need traffic to generate income with this method. Like, who will click on your link and buy that product or service? You probably have seen YouTubers mentioning a product and then saying that there is a link in the description, and then you see an Amazon link. Well, this is an affiliate link, and if you buy that product with that link, they make money. You support that creator. And actually, that's a good thing. Like, it's a win-win situation. Like, you anyway want to buy that product, and if you buy that with their links, they also make some extra money from that. So why not? So how can we drive traffic to our links? For example, you can write a blog on a topic, and if you mention a product or service in your blog, then you can just simply put your link there, and the person that reads that blog and clicks that link and buys that product or service, you make money. Or if you produce content on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, you make videos, and if you mention a product in that video and share that link with your audience, they're gonna click that link and buy that product if they need it or if they want it. And again, you make money from that. After that, Discord, Facebook groups and stuff. Like, there are a lot of options. Now, it's up to you which one you're gonna choose. Another great way to make money is Airbnb. I have never talked about Airbnb on my channel before, but if you have a house, an apartment, or something that you don't use, you can turn them into money with Airbnb. So instead of keeping them empty, why not let them make you some extra money? You can even rent it on a daily, weekly and monthly basis depending on your preference. For example, we were going to an island with my friends a few weeks ago, but before moving to the island, we stayed in a nearby city and we stayed on an Airbnb. And even though we only stayed for one day, the owner of that apartment made a pretty good money. Dropshipping is also a business model that can earn quite a lot of money. Frankly, my background in dropshipping is not very bright, but this business model is a proven one. Although I have not been successful yet, especially lately, I have the desire to try dropshipping again. Like, I just want to find a product, try building a website, give some ads and see what happens. Like, I don't know, I just have that desire to try it again. By the way, let me explain for those who don't know what dropshipping is. In the dropshipping business model, you don't even need to stock the product, or you don't even need to have the product physically. For example, you find a product from a place like CJ Dropshipping or AliExpress, you make a website for this product, advertise it and sell it. And when you receive a sale, you just go to AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping to the supplier that you found, and you order that product directly to the customer's address. And basically, you're the middleman. You don't even see the product. You just, send it from the supplier directly to the customer. In short, if I have to summarize, this is the dropshipping business model. But of course, as in every business model, dropshipping also has its details. For example, finding a good product is very important in this business model. Maybe you'll find a product, you'll make a website about it, give ads and try to sell it, but it will not sell. Then you'll switch to another product, do the same things again, and it will not sell again. You have to test products. SMMA is also an amazing business model. Likewise, I made some videos about SMMA on my channel. I even shared a 30-day SMMA challenge video 2 months ago. In that video, I mentioned that I started working with a client and I've been working with that client since then. I'm currently offering video editing services. In fact, since I don't have time to work with multiple clients, I'm only working with one client, and it can be said that I'm like an editor at the moment and not an agency. But still, it's pretty scalable. If I didn't have 3 YouTube channels that I'm working right now and I focus on this SMMA business, I would work with more than just one YouTuber and even get other editors to work with me. Also, I wouldn't have to pay these editors out of pocket. I would pay the editors per client and I would get their money from the YouTuber, from the client that I'm working with already, like before I pay them. So the YouTuber pays me and I pay the editor. I put YouTube first on this list because I think YouTube is one of the best businesses. The income potential is very high, it offers a lot of freedom, then it becomes extremely easy to diversify your income streams. You can make a video on any topic on YouTube. For example, I make videos about making money online and finance. Another person is making gaming videos. Another person makes videos about sports or workout or fitness. Everyone can make videos in the areas that they enjoy. Like, you have such freedom. If we come to the income part, you can make thousands of dollars just from the YouTube ad revenue alone. After that, there are sponsorships, affiliate marketing. If you create an online course, you can promote it on your YouTube channel for free. Or likewise, if you have products or digital products, you can promote them as well. Because you already have an audience, you offer them something and they offer you something back. YouTube has frankly changed my life. I mean, I've been trying to be successful on YouTube for a very long time and I have finally started to take steps towards achieving it. I mean, not to flex, but I've become financially free. I don't need to get a job. I can now work from wherever and whenever I want and earn more money than I would with a normal job. In fact, you don't even need to show your face in order to be successful on YouTube and make thousands of dollars per month. This is exactly what I show you in this video here. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, I would suggest to watch this video here. So, I'll see you over there. Bye bye.